Hey guys,
Go!
today I'm going to be playing more Naval Warfare Get on the Cruiser with my friend Jacob. Okay.
Hello. Hello, monsieur.
Dude, I am driving the carrier, and I'm bringing the carrier off the edge to another.
I'm on the battleship.
No, get on the carrier, dude. I'm owning the carrier, dude. I have the carrier. I'm in the control of the carrier.
Nice, but dude, we got a full battleship. Literally full battleship.
Dude, come on the carrier. I'm controlling it. And I can also use the anti-aircraft from the carrier, and it looks so strange because there's literally nobody in it. So what guns? How to control? Fire. Return to harbor to heal. AA turret. Anti-aircraft will automatically rotate when firing. Okay. Holy cow! Holy cow! Holy cow!
Holy cow!
Okay, bro. I can't believe I would ever be behind the wheel of one of these, bro. Okay. I think we're gonna head to Island B.
Oh,
You go to Island A.
We got a huge push right now.
I have my own aircraft carrier, bro. Nobody is on it. Nobody.
I see enemy heavy bombers. So I'm just shooting randomly into the air. I'm hoping that these bullets make it far enough. Alright, they're getting out of B.
I'm going over there in my carrier.
I'm hoping I'm shooting down their planes.
Dude, get on the carrier.
Shot down one.
Dude, get on the carrier. We need all people on the anti-aircraft because we're invading Island B.
Yeah, so are we though.
Are you in that plane that's landing on the carrier?
No, I'm not. I can't get on the carrier. We're on the battleships invading. You guys get out on B right now. Alright, the battleship's gonna try and make it to the harbor.
Okay, I'm gonna bring this thing. I'm gonna bring this to one of the islands. I'm bringing it to one of the islands. Wait. Okay, yeah, so it can work with islands.
I have 14 coins, so I definitely shot down a plane. Alright, where the heck are we going? This driver doesn't know what he's doing, man. Alright, we're going to the harbor. Or Island B. You need anti-aircraft support?
Yeah, we need anti-aircraft.
Like
we need lots of anti-aircraft. Most people are just spawning planes, and the kid, we just got 8 bombs. We just got bombed by 9 separate carriers, and they all just dropped our carrier is so low. They're like 5 different planes.
I'm shooting.
5 different planes just came and bombed us. I think we're sinking.
Trying to shoot them down.
I'm losing health. We're losing health. Quick, rapidly. I'm spinning us out. Okay, a bunch. They're spawning.
I'm going to the carrier.
You're on the carrier? Get off the carrier.
Not yet.
Get off the carrier. It just died. I just killed the carrier.
I'm back on the battleship.
I'm going to the battleship too. The one that you need the premium game pass for. Battleship. Let's go. Let's see if anybody.
Sorry.
Come on. Yes, I got the big gun. I got the little box. I got the big box gun. Yes.
Nice. Oh, dude, we're winning it. We're winning it.
B. Go Island B. Go Island B. Oh my gosh, where are we going?
Dude, heavy. No, we're going to the harbor. Heavy fire.
We are not sustaining heavy fire. I repeat, we are not sustaining heavy fire.
No, I know. Heavy fire on the ship trying to take on B.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dang it.
It's dead. This is our only big battleship left.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm on anti-aircraft duty.
Oh, you're on the anti-aircraft? Oh.
Yeah.
Bruh. Tomorrow is gonna be heck-a-lit dab fam playing with my friends. I'm going over to my friend's house tomorrow. It's gonna be heck-a-lit dab fam. And wait, how much time do you have before school ends tomorrow?
I don't know.
Like
Are you on the missiles?
Yeah, I'm on the missiles.
Nice.
Nice.
Can't see me, guys.
Wait, if we bomb their harbor, they can't respawn.
No, they cannot.
Oh, friend. Bro, we've been driving for so long. I'm just gonna play Pac-Man on my phone.
Well, we're on an undercover mission, but this guy doesn't know what the mission is. He's just gonna sail us off the abyss.
Can I tell you what really pissed people off? I just sailed the thing off the edge. I just sailed the big aircraft off the edge. That would have pissed so many people off, my guy. I'm just gonna play COD Mobile or Smashy River or something. I don't really care. Okay, are we almost there? Oh, I have GTA on my phone. I never knew that I had GTA on my phone.
We're getting bombed, we're getting bombed, we're getting bombed!
We're getting bombed, I repeat, we are getting bombed. I'm launching.
Yeah, I know, I'm here.
I'm launching torpedoes. Where are we standing of planes? Because I can bomb planes. What's our health at for the thing?
Quarter of the way down.
Quarter of the way? So we only have a quarter of the way health?
You got 3/4 health.
Oh, okay.
We're literally, no way, whoa. Dude, cockpit is on fire?
Cockpit's on fire.
I feel bad for the driver, he's probably gonna
Be scorched alive. I'm fine.
I got a submarine, that's what we got hit by, a submarine. Do we have underwater charges? We don't.
No,
right?
you can dip under the water and you can't see, and you can see. So.
How do you get to that? Because we need it. There's a submarine.
I don't see a submarine coming.
No, I literally saw. All right, we have a bunch of people. We have a bunch of things. Oh, dude.
Do /team to talk only to the team.
We've got a bunch of cruisers in our way.
Oh, we're getting bombed. We're getting bombed. I repeat, we're getting bombed.
They've launched stuff onto the ship.
I can't hit people with these
We're
ground-to-air
down.
missiles.
We're down. Get off this abandoned ship.
I cannot hit people with these ground-to-air missiles, man.
Yeah, they're really bad. Dang it, dude.
Oh, I almost hit him. I blew him up. I blew out that bomber, or not the bomber. What do we have left? Do we have any carriers up? No carriers. We only have Island A. We're dead. Go Island A. Just go Island A.
Whoa, dude, Japan carrier right here.
Oh wow, we can blow it up.
Yeah. Get large bombers.
Get a large bomber. Spawn a large bomber. Get in. Get in it. Get in it.
I'm getting it.
No, get this guy out. Boot the guy out. Lock him. Click lock, and then he'll get out.
How do I lock?
Click the lock button in the corner.
I did.
Then there. Now unlock it. Okay, go.
Do I get you?
Go. I'm in. Go. They're sinking. Yes, it got sunken. My guy. My dude. Oh, let's go for their battleship. Go for their small battleship that's coming. Go for the shore.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, we just dropped. Did you click E?
Yes, I did click E.
That stops flying. Oh, Super Region's carrier is up.
Seven Green, he's back. Alright, he's invading Island A again because we almost lost that somehow. Kind of embarrassing.
Jacob, get out of there. I'll spawn a battleship or carrier or a launch thing.
But we're getting bombed by our own people.
Get in. Jacob, get in.
I'm trying. Alright, I'm in.
Okay.
Bomb Island A.
No. I don't want to waste my bombs. Nobody's on Island A.
Bomb Island A.
We have to go Island B.
Yeah.
Nobody's on Island A besides us. Oh, we're getting kamikaze. I think we might have to. It's only a couple people. It's fine. We're fine. And, oh no.
Drop bombs in kamikaze. Drop all
I
bombs.
dropped all, but I blew myself up in the process. I'll just come to Island Sewer, the Bleak Boys carrier. I'm gonna buy a small bomber so I can fly it.
Dude, there's a Japan submarine here.
Wait, is that my ship?
Dude, they're gonna.
Oh, dude, just go to Island. Hey, my big bomber's here. My big bomber's here. Oh, there is a thing here.
Get that submarine, we got a bomb it.
No, just get in mine. Just get in my plane. Big bomber, dude.
I'm
Big.
trying to. It's not.
This one. No, I have 2 planes. I died.
Where are you?
I ran off the edge. Man, I wish I had a better recording system, because I can only have 15 minutes if I don't buy premium. I can only record for 15 minutes if I don't buy premium. Just simple. I think OBS works pretty well. Oh, we have a destroyer coming at us. I'll just bomb him real quick. Nothing too big.
Hey, I'm stuck. You gotta reset my character.
I think I blew up their bomber.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Anti-aircraft is the best job.
Dude, we haven't.
There's
lost-
one more carrier.
We have 2 carriers.
Another
We have
carrier.
2 carriers. Let's go.
But it just left the harbor.
Yeah, it's fine.
I spawned a large bomber.
Okay, I'm getting in. Get in. Let's go.
And
Fly.
I'm trying to. Alright, here we go.
Go Island B. Go Island B.
But there are a lot of submarines. I might want to bomb that.
Don't bomb. Don't waste your bombs on the submarine.
But they literally are destroying our carrier.
It doesn't look like anybody's there. Besides, like, 2 people. No, they're
Yeah,
gone.
you're right. Somebody's
Just
attacking.
go Island B.
Alright.
Charge to Island B. Oh, they have a submarine on our way. Dip down a bit. Dip down a bit. Dip down just a bit. Like actually a bunch.
Wait,
Go up. Pull your mouse up.
I.
Oh, I made it up. The absolute clutch. The clutch.
What is that?
The clutch. You're breaking up. You're breaking up. I cannot hear you.
And
Oh, I can hear you now.
there's no real point in bombing this. I mean, like.
We can just capture it. Let's just capture it. Oh, there's 1 person there. We can just jump out. Oh, no, there's 2. Just jump out. Ow. Ow. I am dying to the fire. I just died. Oh, okay. Yeah, you know who I am, kid? You know who I am? Bruh.
What just happened, dude?
He killed me and said easy in the chat. You know who I am? I could probably whip your bleed. I think my game just crashed.
Yeah, there's something wrong. It's wrong. There's something wrong with it.
Okay, we're at Island B.
Dang it, harbor's getting bombed. Should I, like, go protect it? Oh. You go to Curly's carrier.
I'm on Kersley's carrier. I'm in the big bomber. I'm getting in the big bomber. Go.
Okay. Yep.
I was just gonna fly the carrier, drive the carrier.
Oh, dude, we can get out on B if we move fast. That's fast. Just kidding.
Okay, there. It looks like I think that's a carrier. It looks like that carrier's almost dead. It's sinking.
Yeah, we have a carrier under us. We have another carrier there. It's sunk. Let's go. All right.
Dip down. Dip down. Dip down. Dip down. Dip down. I repeat, dip down. Don't focus on him. Just start spraying.
Dang it.
I'll take down the plane. I took down the plane. It's fine. We'll be able to make it. Just drop all your bombs now. Just drop them. No! I got so close! At least I died close to your body.
I'm going to the harbor because they need anti-aircraft support.
I think. I'm not sure. No, there's literally nobody here.
Really?
Yeah.
Because it keeps getting bombed.
Get on.
I swear,
I spawned a
somebody
large
has